View object wheel. Rewind. If we go up to our view object wheel and we click on it, and we end up with these four tools. We've already looked at the center and the zoom. Let's go to rewind. Rewind brings us back through our history of movement, but only in the steering wheels, not any other types of zooming or moving or navigating around. So when I click on rewind, I have a complete set of slides, and I'm keeping my left mouse button down, and I'm going through each slide, going through the history of my navigating. And I can go to any one of these and say that's the one I want and let go, and it brings me there. So I click on rewind, keeping my left mouse button down. The one that's in orange is the one I would move to. Okay? If I'm halfway in between, I'm in between both of them. I'm in neither one. I'm trying to find each one. So I let go on one of them, and that's the view I have. So the rewind, you can pick between the slides, and then the navigation history for just the things that you use the steering wheel for will be remembered, and this is saved with this is in this file, but it is not saved when the drawing is closed. Next, let's take a look at the orbit command. When I click on orbit, it will want to spin it around my pivot point. Now I can spin this thing all the way around and keep in that pivot point. I can spin it around to the back side. So I can go to orbit and I can just spin it anywhere I want to go. This is a very quick, handy way to get to the back side of the object. So here I am, I'm working on this object. I go to orbit. I say, alright, let's spin it around. I'll go over to the other side of the object. Okay. Remember that I can always replace the center, and I can place the center, say, on this corner, and now I can orbit around that particular, and I can go any direction I want, position it however I like, right? And I can get to my spot where I want to be, and then I let go. Remember, always holding down your left mouse button when you're working on a steering wheel.